Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel Cherish Coco. We are back again on this tutorial. Today we'll be talking about how you can organize your YouTube channel, as in setting up your home, your videos and your YouTube channel entirely. So let's dive into the video. So for example, let's say this is my home. When people are visiting my channel, this is what they get to see about Cherish Coco. Okay, let's go back and type Cherish Coco. Okay, so you type Cherish Coco, this is what you're going to get. So clicking on the Cherish Coco, this is what you are going to see. The first thing you are going to see is the banner, which is the channel art. It's also called channel banner. This is channel banner and this is channel art. If you don't have this and you are finding it difficult for you to make a channel banner, all you need to do is just leave a comment below and I will put you through. Okay, a lot of people put their pictures and the picture is not well fit. Why? Because YouTube actually have a specific size for this banner. Okay, so if you don't work, you have to work on that size. If you don't work on that size, you are not going to, whatever picture you put or whatever banner you put is not going to fit in. So, and that is why I'm here for you. Whatever you want to put or you want to design, just leave a comment below, or you just WhatsApp me and go to about session. You get my WhatsApp number and this is it. Just send me a DM, send me a message via the WhatsApp. Then we can talk about the channel banner, or I can help you fix it. So going back to home, how your channel look. Now what I see first is home. Then under the home you can see the upload. Then setting up your channel, like for example what I do on this channel, the first thing I do is about faith, and also I do YouTube tutorials, and also I cook, and about the lifestyle. I'm not actually in the lifestyle, which I'm going to take off very soon. So now for people to actually see my videos about faith, I have to organize the videos under faith. For people to see my tutorials, to be able to find any video they are looking for about tutorials, it has to be organized. And also for cooking videos, it has to be organized. Now how do we do this? Let me show you a sample of this. For example, we are talking about faith. If you scroll down, you can see my video has a faith videos, which is just these two for now. Okay, then when you're talking about tutorials, this has to do with YouTube tutorials. Scroll down, then you can get, you see this YouTube info for YouTubers. Okay, then the third one has to do with cooking shelf, which is cooking recipes. Okay, so talking about faith, this is it. I just have 2 videos for now regarding faith, and I have another shelf that combine all my video, which I put all my upload. So in this all my upload, you can as well play it all as a playlist. So this is how to organize your channel, and it makes it easier for people to get. Now talking about the short shelf, this shorts, I actually move it from being at the top to down. Okay, so because at times I don't do more of a short, so most at times the short videos are covering up my actual videos, which I want people to see. So I have to move the short videos from being at the top to down. Okay, to the third step. 1, 2, 3. I had to bring it down in order for it not to cover up my videos. Automatically YouTube suggests your short videos if the videos are good. Even if it's not good, YouTube still suggests it. Okay, people come out, viewers view your short without you having to promote your short on your own. Okay, so it's there automatically. So moving on to videos, these are the shorts. This one you can't actually do anything with it, so you just have to leave it this way. So These are all my videos. Now, talking about the playlist also is well organized. You must organize your playlist. Let's say people are looking for short video. All they need to do is just come to your shorts and play it off, or they can as well view which one they want to watch. Okay, just click on the view. Let's go back for a while. Click on the view playlist, okay, in order for you to choose on which one you want to play. And you can as well do this for the rest of the video. I have multiple video in one, which I put most of my video repeatedly in one. And also I had a faith videos. I have YouTube info for YouTubers. You can also view it. Then I have cooking recipe. Then I have all my upload, so you can as well check it out. And this is my community. You can also share your video, maybe your old video, your new video, share to your community, because many people get a notification but they don't come to your channel. Many people get notification of your channel when you upload your new video, but they don't come to view your video. So you can as well post your new video on your community. As also, you can post your new video to your community or hold video to your community, so that when people are browsing up your YouTube and they are subscribed to you, they can easily get your video and they can as well view your video. So this is all about the channel. I have no channel. I didn't feature any channel. And about, talking about your about, you need to put your description. Here's what I wrote here. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm a Nigerian based in Malaysia. My channel is all about faith, cooking. As you see it, faith, cooking, YouTube and Facebook tutorials. New video Thursday and Saturdays. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and like my video, share it out and drop a comment. Thanks and God bless you. And for you to contact me, you can send me a message on Instagram, or you can send me a message on WhatsApp. This number is still valid and available. So this is all about your channel. Now, how do I set up this feature that I've just explained? How do I set up my cooking recipe, my shorts, my YouTube info for YouTubers, my faith? So this takes us to your YouTube studio. Now I'm going to go to my YouTube studio. All you need to do is just scroll down to the customization. Come down to customization. Click on it. Then you go to layout. So channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. You can add a video to this. How do you do that? Click on the three dots and change the video or remove the video. Let's say for example I want to change the video or I want to remove the video. Let's say change. You just have to choose any of your video. Maybe you have a welcome video for your channel, or you have a subscribe button video for your channel, people who are visiting you for the first time, or you have a new video you want people to watch. You just have to put it, and that's why I've decided to put my new video here. Featured video for returning subscribers. Featured video for returning subscriber. You can also click here, change video, and choose any of your video by typing the title of the video or any video on YouTube. This is the featured sections I was talking about. This particular one, how to organize your channel, cooking recipe, shorts, YouTube info for YouTubers, and faith. Okay, you go to your YouTube studio, under customization, layout, and under featured sections. So all you just need to do is add a section. Whichever section you want to add, like upload video is already there. Popular upload is your video that has more views. Then your short video, I've already added it, so that's why it's not showing. Your live live now, whenever you're doing live stream, or your past live streams, upcoming live streams that is being scheduled, and also single playlists, created playlists, multiple playlists. Okay, members only video for the joint membership, and subscription, and also featured channel. So just play around this and choose it and set it. If you want more explanation on this, don't hesitate to contact me, or you can also play around with it. You can drag your short video, drag it up, or you can drag it to the beginning. Now, many people's short videos are always up. So all you need to do is, if your short is up, then you drag these two lines, drag it, click on it, and drag it down to either number 2 or number 3. Okay, so I'll leave it at number 3. I'll leave it at number 3. So my new upload will be first, then my single playlist, which is my cooking recipe, will be second, then my short video will be third. Okay, then for my other videos, they will be here. Okay, so this is how to arrange your channel. Now moving on to branding. Branding talks about your YouTube logo, your YouTube profile picture, whatever you put. You can decide to put your logo, your channel logo, or you can put your picture. It depends on what you are doing. So I decided to leave my channel logo here, Cherish Coco CC. So you can as well change it or remove it. So moving on to the banner, this particular place I showed you, this is the banner. This part is the banner. Okay, so how do I fix a banner? Let's say you design a banner and you want to fix it. Just go back to the branding and click on change. Click on change. Then you choose the banner which you have saved on your phone or on your desktop, and click on it and put it in. Okay, I'm not going to change this for now because I don't think I still have a copy of this. So you can as well remove it or change it. After doing all this, I'll show you what to do. And also your watermark. This is very important on your video. When people are watching your video, it's good for you to add a watermark. This watermark is only meant for YouTube alone. When people download your video, the YouTube watermark is not going to affect it. It's not going to be seen on it. So you have to do your own watermark or create something simple. So when people are downloading your videos from YouTube, your logo or your watermark will be seen on the video. Then they can easily trace it back to you. Oh, this particular video belongs to Cherish Coco. So I always put my logo on my videos, in all my videos. So this is it. It can be from end of the video, it can be custom at start time, or it can be entire video. So for the YouTube one, I always leave it at entire video. So you can as well change or remove it. So let's say you've changed or you've removed. All you need to do is come to this side and click on publish. So as soon as you publish it, you can view your channel, how it's going to appear. So let's view the channel. So did you see it? This is the logo. This is my profile picture. So guys, I'm going to stop here for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, don't forget to leave a comment below, or you can as well use the WhatsApp number on the about section. So see you soon on the part 2 of setting up your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon. Bye.